Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we're about to get into this week's deals. So today's video is probably going to be up much later than usual because I'm actually getting started today around the same time that I'm usually finishing up on Sunday. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know why that is. So unfortunately, somebody decided to use the information that I share in my CVS YouTube videos and hack into my main CVS account and use my extra bucks. So that took me a little while to work through today, and I'm still working through that, but I am still going to get into these deals regardless. So the first deal that I did was a spend 40 get 10. I really don't like this spend 40 get 10, but you know how we do. We're gonna find a way to make it work anyway. So I picked up 3 of these Pantene shampoo and conditioner that are 3 for $12 as the first 3 items in my deal. As far as coupons, I used a 3 off of 3 coupon that came in today's P&G insert, a 3 off of 3 CRT, and a 2 off of 12 Pantene CRT. The next thing I grabbed was 6 of the Dial body wash. So these are $3.99, and I used the buy one get one free coupon that is in today's save insert, and I used a 4 off of 25 body wash CRT. To get my total over $25 in soap, I also added in 2 packs of these bars down here. So these are the 3-pack bars and they're on sale 2 for $4. So this is my complete spend 40 deal. This totals up to $39.94. As far as coupons, we're gonna use the 3 off of 3 CRT for the Pantene. We have a 2 off of 12 for the Pantene, and we have a 3 off of 3 coupon from today's inserts. For the soap, I have a 4 off of 25 CRT. We're gonna use 3 of the $3.99 BOGO CRTs, and we're gonna use that $1 off of 2 on the bar soap. That's gonna leave us to pay just $14.97 at the register and then get back a $10 extra buck. Let me show you my receipt. So there is the 2 Dial 3-packs, there's the Pantene, there is the Dial body wash, and then there are all of the coupons that we used. I have the $3 off for the Pantene, the $1 off for the Dial bars, and then I used 3 of the buy one get one free coupons from today's inserts. I had the 4 off of 25 for the soap, the 3 off of 3 for the shampoo, and then I had the $2 off for the Pantene, and I rolled in $15 in extra bucks. That brought my subtotal down to 0. So we paid 0 after spending $15, and then I got back $10 in extra bucks. So that made the final cost for all of these items just $4.97 or 45 cents each, which is amazing. Now we're gonna get into some nice oral care deals. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is these battery powered Oral-B toothbrushes. I love to stay stocked up on these. So these are $6.99, and then when you spend $12, you are going to get back a $4 extra buck. And we have a $2 digital coupon, and we also have $2 paper coupons in today's inserts. So the next thing I'm grabbing is 2 of these Crest gum restorers. You can also get these babies right here. They are all buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck, and we have 2 $3 coupons that we're going to use from the August P&G on these, and I'm going to show you how you can add them into a CRT deal. So here's one way that you can do this deal. If you have a spend 20 save 5 Crest CRT, you can pick up all 4 of these items. This totals up to $27.96. For coupons, you want to use the $2 off coupons for the toothbrushes, then you want to use the $3 off coupons for the toothpaste. Then you are also going to throw in that 5 off of 20 Crest CRT. That's going to leave you to pay $12.96 at the register and then get back $8 in extra bucks, 4 for the toothbrushes, and then 4 for these babies right here, making the final cost for all 4 items $4.96 or $1.25 each, which is a little high for oral care, but you're getting battery powered toothbrushes in this deal, so I don't think $1.25 is bad for these. So this next deal that I'm going to do is going to be on the Colgate, and this Colgate is going to be a moneymaker for us. I'm going to use this moneymaker to pay for the toothbrushes that we just reviewed. So the Colgate toothbrushes are $3.99, and then when you buy two, you get back a $5 extra buck. I have a 2 off of 8 Colgate CRT that will make this an easy moneymaker because you can buy two for $7.98. Use the $4 off of 2 digital coupon that we have. That'll bring it down to $3.98. And then use that 2 off of 8 CRT. It'll bring it down to $1.98. Then you're gonna get back $5 in extra bucks, making two of these a $3 moneymaker. And I actually have 2 of the 2 off of 8 CRTs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double up this deal, and I'm going to pick up 4 of the Colgate. Let me show you the breakdown for my transaction. So here's my complete Colgate deal. This totals up to $15.96. So I'm going to use 2 of those 2 off of 8 Colgate CRTs, and I'm going to use the 4 off of 2 digital, and I'm going to use 2 of these 50-cent paper coupons. We also have 50-cent digital coupons as well that you can throw into the mix. So after all of those coupon savings, that's going to leave me to pay just $6.96 at the register, but then I will get back $10 in extra bucks for completing this deal twice. So that's going to make 4 boxes a $3 moneymaker. The next deal I'm grabbing, I'm hoping will be a moneymaker, and that's on the L'Oreal Elvive. So these are on sale 2 for $8, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. We have a $3 off of 2 paper coupon. We also have a printable, I believe, that I will link for you down below. And we also have a 3 off of 2 digital. If these two work in tandem, that'll leave us to pay just $2 at the register, but then get back $3 in extra bucks, making both bottles absolutely free. The Nexus shampoo and conditioner is spend $25, get back $10 this week, and it should be a possible moneymaker if it double dips. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 2 of these products that are $14.99. That'll put us right at about 30 bucks. Now ideally I would like to grab one for $14.99 and then one for $11.49, but my store is out, so I'm going to have to spend a little bit more today. So these 2 items right here total up to about $30. I have a 3 off of 18 shampoo CRT. I have a 3 off of 3 CRT that should come off since I'm buying the Elvive. And I have an $8 off of 2 and a $5 off of 1 digital coupon loaded. If one of those works in tandem with this, like if that $8 comes off with this one, then that will leave me to pay just $7.98 at the register, and then I'll get back the $10 in extra bucks, and I will get back a $3 beauty buck, making both bottles free plus a $5 moneymaker. Now, if the $5 comes off instead of the $3, then they'll both be free plus a $2 moneymaker. The next deal I'm going to do is this easy digital deal on the Suave Deodorant. Now I'm incorporating this deal because I have a 6 off of 30 CRT that I'll be able to use because I'm buying all of that oral care that we're getting with the crest and all of that. So I'm going to add this deodorant deal in because that'll push me up to $30 so that I can use that CRT. So I'm going to buy 2 of these. They're buy one get one 50% off. We have a 50-cent paper coupon. We also have a 40-cent digital coupon that I'm going to use today. So that's going to leave me to pay $3.48 at the register, but then I'm going to get back a $2 extra buck, making it just $1.48 for both of them. And then after we pay the $1.48, I'm also going to submit back to Shopkick because we do have a 500 kick offer, which is equivalent to $2, which should make these free plus a small money maker. Now there's also a larger bundle where if you buy the Suave or Degree, and then you also buy one of the Dove, you can get back 1,500 Shopkicks, which is like $6 and some change. So that's a bigger bundle if you want to do that instead, but I'm just going to grab these 2 Suave and keep it pretty simple. Thank you to our friend Ashley who works at CVS, who also emailed me and let me know that the Lysol double packs that are normally $16.49 are back on sale for $4.99. So if you're able to snag these at your location, definitely be on the lookout for them. We do have a 75-cent digital that applies that will make them only $4.24. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and do my next transaction. We're going to do the Nexus, we're going to do the Colgate, we're going to do that Crest and Oral-B deal, we're going to do the Suave, and we're going to do the L'Oreal Elvive. Here are all of the paper coupons that I'm going to use, not that many coupons, and then I have about 30 something dollars in extra bucks, about $33 I think loaded to my card. So let's go check out with all of these items and see how everything works.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
all right, you guys, when I tell y'all this second transaction was so bomb, let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's the Elvive, there's our power toothbrushes, there is our Crest, there is our Colgate, there is our Suave, there's our Nexus. That Nexus was a glitchuation and it worked out so beautifully. As you can see, the $8 paper coupon and the $8 digital did double dip on that. And then let me show you a close-up of all of the other coupons that we use. So there is the Nexus digital, the Colgate digital, the L'Oreal Paris digital did double dip with that $3. All of our CRTs applied, and then I used a total of $32 in extra bucks. So after paying that $32 in extra bucks, that brought my subtotal down to 38 cents. So I saved $98.48 and 100% in today's deal. As far as extra bucks back, I'm gonna have to show you guys these up on the screen. I got back $4 for the Crest deal. I got back $10 for the Colgate. I got back $4 for the Oral-B. I got back $2 for the Suave Deodorant. I got back $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive. I got back $10 for the Nexus. So I got back today a total of $33 in extra bucks after spending $32. And I'm also going to get back a total of $3 in beauty bucks from the Nexus and the Elvive. And then I also submitted back to Shopkick for another $2 in cash back for the Suave, bringing my total back today to $38. So we got back $38 for this deal, and then I spent out $32.38. So this was over a $5 moneymaker. Pretty much it paid for our first transaction where we picked up all of that dial soap. Next deal up, we're gonna do an easy moneymaker on the Chic Razors. So these babies are buy two, get back a $10 extra buck this week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up two of these for $12.49. We have $4 off manufacturer coupons that I'm gonna use on this. That's gonna deduct $8. And I also have an 8 off of 25 CRT. That's gonna take off another 8. That's gonna leave me to pay $8.98 for both of these at the register, and then I'm gonna get back a $10 extra buck, making them free plus a $1 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so next deal we're gonna do, this is gonna be an experiment. I am going to do another spend 40, get back 10 deal, but this time I'm gonna try it out with this Got to Be hair color because I have a free hair color CRT that is expiring today. So I wanna see how this works with this deal, but honestly, I'm really not sure how this is all gonna work together. So these are 2 for $20. That CRT should take off up to $9. So it should make one of the boxes $2 and the other one will be $10. Then I have a 6 off of 2 paper coupon. We also have a 6 off of 2 digital. Not sure both of those are going to work in tandem, and the reason being is because both of those would take off $12 and then the CRT would take off $9. That would give $21 in savings for $20 in product, and CVS doesn't do overage. So we'll see how it all works out, but if just the 6 off of 2 applies plus the $9, that will leave us to pay $5 for 2 boxes. To finish off this spend 30 deal, I'm gonna grab some laundry care. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is one of these Downy Unstoppables. These are the larger 14.8 ounce. We have a $3 paper coupon in the PNG right there that I'm gonna use on that. And then I'm also gonna grab one of these Gain Flings. So these are $4.94. We have a $2 paper coupon that I'm gonna use on that. And then finally, I'm gonna grab these 80 count bounce dryer sheets. So these are $4.94. And I'm gonna use this $2 paper coupon on this one. All right, you guys, so this is my second spend 40 deal. This totals up to $41.62, I believe. So we have the two hair colors there. We're just gonna use that free CRT on one of them. That should deduct $9. And then we also have a 6 off of 2 paper coupon there. Then we have our laundry items. I'm gonna use the $3 off for the Downy, the $2 for the Gain, and the $2 for the Bounce. You can also get a big Tide instead of this Downy. That will work as well. And you can use a $3 Tide coupon as an alternate on this scenario. So after all of my coupons, that should leave me to pay $19.62 and then get back a $10 extra buck, making all of these items only $9. Now if somehow that $6 digital comes off, then all of these items will just be about $3, but we will see how that actually works at the register. Another moneymaker deal that I'm not going to do today because I forgot to clip my coupons. I was trying to just get to the store, y'all. So the Covergirl is buy two get back a $6 extra buck. We got $4 CRTs. You might have a 4 off of 12 or just a $4 CRT, and 2 of these at $6.59. You want to grab 2 of those pencils right there, would total up to $13.18. So use 2 of the $2.50 off manufacturer coupons plus that $4 CRT. You were going to pay $4.18, but then get back $6 in extra bucks, making 2 of those babies not only free but almost a $2 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and check out with this final deal. I have all of my extra bucks. I have about $31 in extra bucks loaded to my card, and then those are my paper coupons. Let's see how this final deal works. All right, you guys, so this is our complete CVS haul for today. We got a lot of goodies. We got a bunch of Dial soap. We have a laundry detergent. We got our Downy beads. We got electric toothbrushes. We got Bounce. We got Gain. We got oral care galore. We got Razors and Nexus, and we also got Suave. And the best part about it is this last transaction was free $99. So I did not know how everything was going to work out with that free hair color CRT, but let me show you how it worked out because it was better than I expected. So there's the Lviv, there's the Got To Be hair color, there's the Downy, there's the Bounce, there's the Gain, and then there's the Chic Hydro. Here are all of the paper coupons that we used. As you can see, that $6 hair color CRT came off with the $6 digital, so those did double dip. And my $8 came off for the free box of hair color instead of the $9. So what happened is that CRT reduced down so that I would not get any overage and just made both boxes of those hair color absolutely free. And then we got the double dip on the Lviv once again. So I didn't need $30 in extra bucks in this transaction. I ended up only using $25.80 in extra bucks. That was a $7 extra bucks that was reduced down to $6.80, and that brought my subtotal down to 0. But then I got back a total of $23 in extra bucks, $10 for our spend 40 deal. I got back $10 for the Chic deal, and I got back $3 for the L'Oreal Lviv. And I'm getting back a total of $3 in beauty from the hair color and the Lviv as well. So that is $26 back after spending $26. That final transaction, you guys, was absolutely free. So our first transaction cost $5 with our Dial deal. Our second transaction was a almost $6 moneymaker. And then this final transaction was absolutely free. We just scored over $200 in merchandise for 0, you guys. I love it when a plan comes together. So I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if these deals were helpful to you all. I thank you all once again, and I will have written breakdowns down below. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.